Now let me show you how do you actually make a ChatGPT account. Just go to Google and write down ChatGPT. Once you write ChatGPT, the first option which you will get is to log into ChatGPT, right? Just go and click on login to ChatGPT. This is the window which you'll get, or you can say a page which you'll get where it will ask you to log in or sign up for a free account. So what you can do is either you can go and write down sign up over here, click on sign up, or you can click on login and you will get an option how you want to log in. So it shows you the different options by which you can actually go and log in. Right now I'm choosing continue with Google, and I will be actually getting some options over here, that is by which email address would you like to log in. So I'm using my GenCode Academy email and I'll try to log in through it. So just click on OK. Write down your name. Give a birth date. And just say continue. It will take some time to process and it will take us to the dashboard of ChatGPT. Cool. So here we have the dashboard of ChatGPT. On the left hand side, you will see there are some options, that is new chat. Okay, so for now I'll just skip this. So done. Okay, cool. So on the left hand side, you see there's an option as new chat. There is option as search chats. So if you have like multiple chats which you have created, then you have to actually go and search for the chat. If you see down, you will see more options like Sora, GPTs, new projects, and all those things. Right now, we don't want to get carried away with all those options which are given down, but we will be using a simple text prompt which is required to create a dynamic website. Cool. So this is the way you actually go and create your first account in ChatGPT.